Now for Eyewitness News, call 12 for action.
You've heard of credit reporting agencies, but did you know there are companies tracking your banking history and any money mistakes you make?
Problem solver Susan Hogan reveals something most of us have no idea about, and we probably should.
This is one of those stories that will probably make you mad because it's about something called your consumer report, not your credit report. It is totally different, and boy, can it make a difference in where you bank. This is how Natasha Carmen pays her bills. She drives to each business, goes inside, and settles up with cash.
It's definitely frustrating.
Frustrating because she'd rather pay by check, but at each stop Natasha made trying to open up checking accounts at different banks, she says she got the same answer.
They all denied me, and they all said that it's because you owe this bank X amount of dollars.
4 years ago, she got hit with a bank fee, and when she couldn't pay, the charges piled up and her account was closed.
The fees just got so extreme that I couldn't keep that up.
Unpaid fees and involuntary account closures are just some money mistakes banks and credit unions may report to tracking companies. These consumer reporting agencies receive information about people who have had financial mishaps or even fraudulently bounced checks. And before they approve a new account, many banks check your past records.
It's a good indication of whether the person can manage the account and whether what risk they present of causing the bank to lose money.
This FDIC survey reveals 65% of banks deny checking account applicants who have had prior mismanagement in their consumer reports.
A consumer who bounced a check once is not a deadbeat. A consumer who bounced a check once may not even have made a conscious mistake.
Potentially millions of Americans are blacklisted from banks, and consumer advocates worry financial institutions could be shutting out some people whose record was dinged by accident.
There could have been an automatic payment that the consumer had canceled, but the company, by mistake, continued to try to take out of their account. And that is happening more and more often today.
Federal law says you can request a free banking history report each year and dispute any incorrect information. Now, the American Bankers Association tells us that most often banks won't report you if you have one overdraft fee and then you take care of it. When you don't pay the overdraft fee, though, that is when you have a problem, and that is when you could get reported. And if you have a consumer problem you need help solving, contact our Call 12 for Action Center Monday through Thursday from 11 until 1, hotline 228-1850. I'm problem solver Susan Hogan, Eyewitness News.